Now the machine has switched on, as you can see. I want to show you a simple step on how to actualize the machine. This is a turning machine which is using absolute programming, or what you call absolute positioning. So in the absolute positioning, you don't need to home the machine. So how to access it? Just click here. It tells you that enter the start key. So this is the start key. You remove the start key and then you press it again inside. You see it removes here. So this is the user interface for this machine. It is advanced machine. So we want to access the CNC part. You click on the CNC part. Currently, the machine cannot be used because you have to actualize this, so that remove this one and this one to ensure that it is able to run. I'll tell you the meaning of this. So first of all, you click here, okay, and then give it time. Now this is the machine the way it is. We want to home the machine, but before you home the machine, for the magazine, I'm telling you, you don't home the machine, but you home the magazine. Before you home the magazine, first of all, you have to initialize this one for clamping the chuck, and also release the button. So what do we do? How can we do it? Open the door, press this button, then open the door. When you open the door, we have to press the button for closing the jaws. Where is it? On the footer. This is the button. You press it with the footer like this until this one will turn it to green. So let's press it. Let's press this button. First of all, release this emergency. After release it, you will see this one comes on, the two opening and closing the door. Then switch on the controller. The controller is on now to activate the actuators. So press this one. You hear the sound. Once it comes on, you need to remove this one. How do you remove it? Open the door, press this button. Then open the door. As you can see, even the state, it is telling you it is red. So how can we now ensure that we remove this button, this red? You will see machine is telling you the emergency. You need to test it. So how do we do it? You have this footer. Press the closing footer. You see it releases, and then this one changes to green. And then close the door. After closing the door, this button, you see, it is also telling you we need to initialize the state of the actuators so that it comes on for the machine. So there's this button here, you see, press this button. And then you see it is releasing one by one. When it finishes, tells you now press the reset button. You press this button. You hear the sound. And now it has removed the state.